Have you ever won an Apple laptop but thought they were just too expensive? Well, you're not alone. For years, people have been asking Apple to make a laptop that does not cost $1,000. Millions of people around the world look at MacBooks and wish they could afford one. You might walk into an Apple store, see the beautiful displays, and then look at the price tag. It can be really disappointing. Everything from Apple has always been seen as a luxury item. People always thought you had to be rich to own a brand new MacBook. Students, parents, and everyday workers have been left out for a very long time. We have all been waiting for a truly budget-friendly option. We wanted something that gives us the amazing Apple experience without completely emptying our bank accounts. Get ready, because that day is finally here. Today, we are looking at the brand new MacBook Neo. This is a massive secret that is going to change everything in the tech world. The rumors were true, and the final product is even better than we ever imagined. It is beautiful, it is colorful, and it feels like magic in your hands. But the absolute best part? It only costs $599. Yes, you heard that right. $599 for a brand new Apple laptop. In a world where everything is getting more expensive, Apple is doing something crazy. Let's dive in and see exactly what makes this budget laptop so amazing and why it might be the only computer you ever need. First, let's talk about the design and how this thing feels. When you hear the word budget, you usually think of something made of cheap, squeaky plastic. You expect it to be thick, heavy, and ugly. That is completely wrong here. The MacBook Neo looks absolutely incredible. It does not look like a cheap computer at all. When you take it out of the box, it feels premium. It has that smooth, cold feel that Apple is famous for. The build quality is solid and strong. You can hold it in one hand easily. It is very thin and extremely light. In fact, it feels even lighter than the famous MacBook Air. Think about that for a second. The MacBook Air is known as the ultimate lightweight laptop, but the MacBook Neo takes that to a completely new level. It is so thin it almost feels like an iPad with a keyboard attached. This makes it so easy to carry around in your backpack. You will not even feel it in your bag. You can walk around campus all day without your shoulder hurting. You can take it to the coffee shop or travel on an airplane with zero stress. Apple also decided to make this laptop incredibly fun. For years, MacBooks have only been silver or gray. That was getting really boring, but not anymore. It comes in some really fun and fresh colors that match your personality. You can get in a cool sage green. This green is very calm and natural looking. It is perfect if you want something different, but not too bright. Then there's a bright yellow. This is a happy, energetic color that really stands out in a crowd. We also have a soft blue. This blue looks like a clear summer sky. It is very relaxing to look at. If you want something a bit sweeter, there's a nice pink. It is a very gentle pastel pink. And of course, if you like the traditional look, there's a classic silver. The colors are painted perfectly everywhere. Apple even went a step further. The colors even match the little rubber feet on the bottom of the laptop. Most companies just use cheap black rubber feet on the bottom of their laptops to save money. But Apple really paid attention to the small details here. If you buy the blue laptop, your rubber feet are blue. If you buy the yellow one, they are yellow. It is these tiny details that make a $599 laptop feel like it costs way more. When you open it up, the magic continues. You do not have to struggle to open the lid. It opens smoothly with just one finger. You are instantly greeted by a gorgeous 13-inch display. 13 inches is the perfect size for almost everybody. It is big enough to get your work done comfortably, but small enough to stay super portable. The screen is bright and the colors look amazing. The glass is glossy, making the pictures and videos pop with rich detail. Whether you're watching your favorite YouTube creators, streaming a movie on Netflix, or just reading a long article, your eyes will thank you. The text is super sharp. You will not have to squint to read your homework assignments or emails. Below the screen eye, is where things get really interesting. We have a white Magic Keyboard. Usually, MacBooks have black keys. The white keys on a MacBook Neo look so clean and futuristic. They pop beautifully against the colorful body of the laptop. But there is a secret detail here. The keys actually have a very slight tint that matches the color of the laptop. So if you buy the yellow one, the keys have a tiny bit of yellow in them. If you buy the green one, there's a tiny hint of green in the white keys. It is a really nice touch that shows how much thought went into this design. The keyboard is not just pretty, it is amazing to use. It is Apple's famous Magic Keyboard. The keys are quiet, soft, and very responsive. You can type incredibly fast on this laptop. Your fingers will not get tired even if you're writing a 10-page essay. Right below the keyboard, it also has a massive trackpad, just like the more expensive MacBooks. Most cheap laptops have terrible, tiny trackpads that are hard to click. Not this one. This trackpad gives you plenty of room to swipe, scroll, and zoom with your fingers. It feels smooth like glass. You also get Touch ID as well. The power button has a fingerprint sensor built right into it, so you can unlock your laptop quickly and safely with just your fingerprint. You never have to type in a long password to open your computer. You can also use Touch ID to pay for things online securely. Just put your finger on the button and your shopping is done. It is incredibly fast and keeps your data safe. Now, let us talk about connecting your stuff. On the sides, there are two USB-C ports. USB-C is the standard for almost everything now. You use these ports to charge the laptop. You can also use them to plug a hard drive, a mouse, or even connect the laptop to a big monitor on your desk. Having two ports means you can charge the computer and plug something else in at the same time. Down on the side, there's a normal headphone jack. This is a huge win. A lot of companies are removing the headphone jack to force you to buy wireless earbuds. But Apple kept it here. You can plug in your cheap wired headphones and listen to music right away without needing a special adapter. There are also two speakers that sound great. They're surprisingly loud for such a thin device. The voices in videos are clear, and music actually sounds full and rich. You will be very happy watching movies in bed with these speakers. It does not have the MagSafe magnetic charger that the expensive models have. But for this amazing price, that is totally fine. Charging with a normal USB-C cable is easy and convenient. Now, let's look at the power inside this beautiful machine. You might be wondering if a $599 Apple laptop is going to be slow. The answer is absolutely not. The MacBook Neo comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM. For the things this laptop is meant to do, 8 gigabytes is plenty of memory. It means you can have lots of internet tabs open at once. You can have YouTube playing while you type a document and chat with your friends. The computer will not freeze or stutter. It runs on a special A8 Pro chip. This chip is basically magic. It is incredibly fast for everyday tasks. Apps open the second you click on them. The laptop wakes up from sleep instantly. But the most amazing thing about this chip is how cool it runs. If you touch the bottom of the laptop while it is running, it stays completely cold. It does not overheat. This is because there is no fan inside this computer. You will never hear a loud spinning noise. It is completely silent. You can use it in a dead quiet room and hear nothing. Because it stays cool, you can keep it on your lap for hours without burning your legs. This is something cheap Windows laptops always fail at. They get hot and loud very fast. The MacBook Neo stays cool, calm, and quiet no matter what you're doing. Because the 8 Pro chip is so smart, it saves a lot of power. The battery life is also crazy good. You can get up to 16 hours of battery on a single charge. Just think about how long 16 hours really is. You can wake up, unplug the laptop, and leave your charger at home. You can take it to school, use it in every single class, bring it back home, do all your homework, and then watch a movie before bed. And guess what? You'll still have battery left over. You can use it all day long without needing to plug it in. This gives you true freedom. You're never hunting for a power outlet in a coffee. You shop again. So, who is this laptop actually for? Apple says this is for people who are buying their very first MacBook. It is perfect for students, kids, and families. If you are a student writing papers and doing research, this is your dream computer. If you want a laptop for the kitchen that the whole family can use to look up recipes or pay bills, this is it. If you have a really old laptop that is super slow, heavy, and has a dead battery, the MacBook Neo is the perfect upgrade. It will feel like a spaceship compared to your old computer. It is great for writing, watching videos, browsing the web, and running cloud apps. It runs perfectly fast with Google Docs, web browsing, and simple photo viewing. However, you need to know who this is not for. This is a budget laptop, so it has limits. If you edit huge 4K movies in Final Cut Pro for a living, this is not for you. If you make complex music with hundreds of tracks in Logic Pro, this is not for you. If you're trying to play super heavy, intense 3D video games, this will not work. It is not a super heavy-duty machine. Apple makes the MacBook Pro for those heavy tasks. You should not buy this if you're a professional creative who needs massive power. But for everyday tasks, GarageBand, and simple iMovie edits, it is absolutely perfect. You can still do light, creative work. You can easily edit a fun video for social media or record a simple song. It handles normal daily life without breaking a sweat. When you look at the whole picture, it is clear what Apple has done here. They have completely destroyed the competition. At $599, this is the best deal in the tech world right now. Before this, if you only had $600, you had to buy a plastic Chromebook or a slow, clunky Windows laptop. Those computers usually feel cheap, the screens look washed out, and the batteries die fast. The MacBook Neo completely changes the rules. It gives you the premium Apple experience without breaking your bank account. You get the incredible build quality, the amazing screen, the magic keyboard, and the super fast chip all for a budget price. It is fun, it is fast, and it looks beautiful. This is going to be the most popular laptop of the year. It makes owning an Apple computer possible for almost everyone. What do you think about the new MacBook Neo? Are you as shocked by this price and these features as I am? Will you be picking one up in your favorite color? Let me know down in the comments below. I want to know if you're team yellow, team blue, or maybe going for that classic silver. Let's get a discussion going in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, share the video with your friends who might need a new laptop, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another tech update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.